Hey guys, Extra Perfection back again. Got into unboxing. I just snagged the Logitech wireless K400 Plus keyboard from Best Buy. It was on sale. I got it for $20 minus a $5 gift certificate from my points at Best Buy. But basically, this is like a media HT PC or home theater PC. Kind of keyboard. It's got a touchpad on it, and it's a wireless keyboard. It uses Logitech's unifying receiver for the connection, so it is not Bluetooth, unfortunately. It does not have a backlit keyboard, but let's get to it. I'm just going to open this up and we can talk about some of the features and everything. Alright, so there it is. So in the box you get the keyboard, obviously. You get a safety compliance warranty information card, quick start guide, and then you got the USB unifying receiver. I've already got like 3 of these, so what I'll probably end up doing is just pairing it with my old ones. Let's see, I don't think this thing came with batteries, so we're gonna have to... Oh, they did come with batteries. That's pretty cool. Alright, so pull that out, let that go. Alright, so that's the keyboard. I've got the, let's see, I forgot, the K360 for comparison. So you can see that the K400 forgoes a numpad, which is on the K360, for a touchpad. And so this is really useful, much better for like couch surfing. I'm planning on probably connecting it to my Nexus player to use for media consumption. I think the keyboard is still, well, I guess it's not exactly a full-size keyboard, but I think it's large enough where maybe it's like 92, 93%. Doesn't say, but it looks like the keys are spaced apart enough to have no issue. So I'm actually going to boot up my computer, boot up my Stealth, and I'll go ahead and test this out. I'm going to go ahead and pair it up with the unifying receiver that I have in my laptop. Although I might replace it with this one, because this one is nicer, it has a smoother edge on it. The one that I have is so I don't know if you can see the difference. They're about the same size, but this one's nicer, and this one has like kind of a ridge on it. I mean, they're both the same size, but this is the one. This came with the K400 Plus. This came with, either I bought it separately or it came with the K360, one or the other. I don't remember. It's been a while since. Okay. So with the unifying receiver, Logitech actually has software that you can use to pair any device. I should have it on here. Let's see. Logitech unifying software. Okay. So go ahead and so there's that. So I'm gonna turn this off. Click next. Turn the device back on. So I have that onto green. it automatically, once you start up the software and you restart the either mouse, keyboard, or whatever it is, it automatically recognizes it, and it looks like it worked. So we're gonna go yes, next, finish. Okay, so let's see. All right, so you can see the. I guess it's better like that. So you can see I am touching the touchpad. Let's see if I can find the mouse. You can see it right there. Like that. So that's cool. And then volume up, volume down buttons. You can see the pop-up thing on the screen on the upper left. That comes with the software. Or it becomes the laptop mute. That works. Let's see what else. Let's see, home. It doesn't move. Nothing on screen. But basically, that's pretty nice. So this is a much nicer. I don't know what this button does. So it's got a pretty decent sized trackpad. You can use it while it's on your lap. Should be pretty. And it's got tap. You can tap on it to click and everything. I'm probably going to have to try out to see if there are gestures associated with the touchpad. But that's basically the K400 Plus in a nutshell. It's a pretty light keyboard. It's a lot lighter than the K360. This has some heft to it, but this one is like a more closer to full-size keyboard, and you can see it has more stuff that what a normal keyboard have. It has kickstand feet. This one does not, but I think for about 15 bucks, that's pretty decent. And I think it'd be much easier to use on the couch. I'll probably hook it up to my Nexus, and then can use it from the couch without having to use the remote. And you can actually type and stuff when I want to search. So this should be pretty good, pretty useful, and it'll probably be good for travel as well. But anyway, that's the unboxing of the Logitech K400 Plus wireless keyboard with a touchpad. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.